Breathe with me now. Now it's that puff ass shit, Cheech and Chong grass shit, blunts to the head, cush pillows, no mattress, speedboat traffic, bitches automatic, cross that line, fuck around and get your ass kicked. We roll shit that burn slow as fucking molasses, probably won't pass it, smoking to the last hit, down to the ashes. Mary J a bad bitch, Andre 2001, another classic. Go ahead, ask them bitches about how I be smoking out. Party all night, yeah, it's going down. Quarter rounds, we smoking quarter pound of that good stuff. Oh yeah, we smoking all night. Yeah, puff, pass that shit right here. Nigga better than my last batch. Caramel complexion and the ass fat.